A Texan shave, steel in hand, traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand.
Howdy, and welcome back to A Texan Shaves. Fran'S Space Cream Day 5. 1 day left. How exciting. Let's get into it. Goodness, excuse me, getting choked up again. Let's open up Day 5 right here in the middle, bottom row. I'm trying really careful not to rip these. I'm trying to keep it as intact as possible. There we go. What do we have here? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Superman has kryptonite. Viewers, meet my kryptonite. Mint chocolate chip. This video just turned into a will it shave. All right. I'm going to give it my best effort. I love mint. I love chocolate. Put them together. No. When I was married, I wouldn't kiss my wife after she ate an Andes Mint. I dislike mint chocolate chip. I now know what it feels like to open up a door in an advent calendar and see Yule ham. Although I enjoyed Yule ham because I can see the festive fun with that. I see no fun with this. I'm not going to talk bad about it. It's not going to be that bad. All right. Let's get my nose. Yep. That's mint chocolate chip. Hi, welcome to A Texan Shaves. Let's change the attitude here. I'm going to put a little bit on the back of my hand. There we go. Let me put that in. Let it breathe a second. All right. Mint chocolate chip all day long. If you like mint chocolate chip, I can tell you right now, you're going to love this. All right, we're doing a head shave. I'm going to get the lather going using my beautiful Tenmokus bowl. And I brought a few choices, and I guess the perfect choice for mint chocolate chip would be the Peregrino. So that's the brush of choice today. And going to be using the Alpha Spirit. I'm kind of just sticking with AC razors for head shaves because they just give me the best head shave. I have a theory about that, but that's not about this video. So I'll be right back. All right, we're back. So just to start off before we get going, I am by no means disappointed in this product. I just have my own thing about mint chocolate chip. Mint and chocolate together, period. So I will be objective with this for sure on this first impressions. So don't take anything I say about mint and chocolate together because that's just personal. It's not anything against the soap or the fragrance. I can actually appreciate what's going on here smelling it. It is straight up what it says it's to be. And of course, even though smell and taste goes together, smelling it and eating it are definitely 100% two different things. So I can enjoy this. And it is a good mint chocolate chip fragrance, 100%. So I'm going to I've got my bowl loaded, so I'm just going to load the brush out of this. I'm not going to build a full bowl of lather or anything like that. So, and then we're just going to build the lather on my head, and we're going to go that route. So let's load up this brush. Just like so. And let's get the glasses off and the head wet. I'm just playing it up because it is something I do not like. And I actually made the comment to Douglas. He's probably laughing right now. I know he's laughing right now because I made the comment when he announced this and asked me if I wanted to participate. I said, yeah, we're good as long as there's not mint chocolate chip in there. And he just LOL'd me. Now I know why. Well played, Douglas. Well played, sir. Douglas 1, Barry 0. It's probably how it'll always be. All right. Here we go. Mint chocolate chip ice cream bar. Oh, I am losing that all over the place. A little extra water in that brush there. Let's get it going. Get this wonderful CK6 lather popping up. Yep, I had a feeling this day was coming. I had a feeling. And yes, Girl Scout Thin Mints are included in my dislike. Besides, there's nothing greater than Samoas. Also known as Caramel Delights, but I'll always call them Samoas. Too bad they don't sell Girl Scout cookies on the ice cream truck, right? Let's get some water on this. Actually, I said well played, Douglas. This is Fran's Space Cream. Well played, Fran. You got me. You got me. Of course, I didn't discuss with you mint chocolate chip. But I do know it is a fan favorite. The majority is way more on mint chocolate chip lovers than those that don't like it. So I give. I concede. There is a reason to have this in the Space Cream collection for sure. I think I need a little bit more water on this stuff. The aroma is not overpowering. It is nice. It is a nice mint. I will give it that. The chocolate sweetens it up a little bit, deepens it, darkens it. I can enjoy it. I can enjoy the fragrance. I really can. It never was the smell of mint and chocolate that did it for me. It was the taste. So we're good. We're good. I'm not going to lose it. I don't have to eat it. So we're good. All right. Woo! Mint chocolate chip on my head. All right, let's get this shave going. Man, that's a good lather. So other than ice cream, did your ice cream man carry other products? Like chips, candy bars. I remember the ice cream man that I probably purchased from the most when I was young had a whole row of like blow pops and other types of candies like that, ring pops and things, the hard candies. And but a dad one that during the summer when he went around, he also made Frito pies, like the walking taco kind now, where they just slit the bag of Fritos and then put the chili and cheese in there. Thought that was kind of awesome. So let me know if your ice cream man branched out on anything like that. Of course, I believe there were also beverages like sodas and stuff like that. You know, I have to admit, this fragrance isn't that bad. I do enjoy it. I know a lot of you probably enjoy it a lot more than me. It's not turning my stomach. I can appreciate what the artisan has done, for sure. Especially, you know, after my series I do with Love It or Leave It. Even though it may be something that's out there, which this isn't out there, of course, I can appreciate what the artisan was doing. I definitely can appreciate what's done here because this is spot on mint chocolate chip ice cream for sure. Now I know they have done mint chocolate chip before. I think it was Cosmic Bonbon or something like that. I don't remember. I don't know. I never experienced it. And I don't know if this is the same or not as that, but I would assume it's probably pretty close. So down below, if you have the Advent calendar, day 5, and you have the original or the older mint chocolate chip that was, I think it came in an Advent calendar at one time, let me know if it's the same or what you think the difference is. It's a good shave, a little bit on this side here. All right. Let's get the back. So, you know, I don't have any more ice cream man stories to tell. Did I already talk about my favorite ones? Yeah, I did. I did that yesterday, I believe, or the day before. You know, as a kid, that was always an exciting part of the day, especially during the summer. Heck, I know some days I was sitting there, just kept looking down the road, my ear to the air, waiting to hear that familiar jingle. You know, there's a topic. I'll save that for tomorrow's video. I do have a topic, one more. So yeah, we'll save that for tomorrow's video. Let's see where we're at back here. All right, that's all she wrote. Let's get one more smell of this soap. Yeah, it's about a 4 or 5 off the lather, but you know what? I'm gonna get a rinse, come back up for the splash. My final thoughts. Be right back. All right. Fantastic shave. Of course, always wearing it lately. Been making some very messy lathers, which I'm perfectly fine with. All right. Mint chip. Here we go. And I put a generous amount like I always do. I'm not scared. All right, here we go. I don't know what else to say. It's mint and chocolate. Very evenly blended. It's nice. It's not bad. It really isn't. It's. Let me see with this hand. The dry down's very quiet. A lot of it is gone. But I only put a little bit back here, so I'll find out what the dry down is later. If I have any other comments, I'll add them in somewhere on the bottom of the screen. But for now, yeah, it's nice. It's nice. It really isn't bad. I actually kind of like it. It really isn't bad at all, actually. I'm kind of surprised I'm saying that. I do like it. I do. All right. Day 5. I conquered my demons today. I overcome my fears. I'm not going to say I like mint chocolate chip. I am going to say I like mint chip shave soap. Find your peace in what and where you can. We'll see you next time on the Texas Shaves.